Hello children, this is grade 4 block 21 NS1. Open your readers, page 148. I am reading for you. Okay, so here page 148 you can see here, just I am reading for you this lesson. So when you see in this lesson, soil is an important natural resource that covers the earth. It is made up of small pieces of rocks. Uses of soil. Soil plants cannot grow without soil. Animals and humans depend on plants for food. If there was no soil, then there would be no food for us or for the animals. Soil is home to many animals, right? Earthworms, snails and ants live in soil. Soil is also called mud. Mud is used to make bricks. We use bricks to make buildings. They are made to make them stronger. Mud houses are common in villages. In the olden days, chillas were made from mud. Mud is also used in pottery to make pots, toys, idols, diyas and many other things. So from this block, page number 148, just you read out this, right? After reading this, here you are having glossary, right children? So this glossary you have to write as a keywords and its meanings also you write down in a class notebook. So now I will tell you about this lesson. See, your topics today you are going to learn. The main idea of this lesson is to find out the uses of soil. What is our topic today? Uses of soil. Here I am writing. Uses of soil. Okay. So in this one, the main idea of this lesson is to help the students to understand that the soil is an important natural resource. So without which life would not exist, right? So in this lesson you are going to learn about the uses of soil, layers of soil and the formation of soil. And soil is an important natural resource and we should save it, right? So in this one we are going to learn uses of soil here. Uses of soil. So when we see here soil, how, for what purposes we are going to use the soil, we are going to learn now. So you can make word web. Here I did word web. We make word web. So first thing. So here soil is used to grow plants. Why? Because plants need soil to grow. So here to grow plants you can write here. To grow plants. To grow plants. Right? Now, next we will see. Next we will see here, because it provides plants minerals, water and minerals, isn't it? So, in this one, many animals will live, many animals like ants, earthworms, snails will live in the soil. So, here we can write earthworms, okay? Earthworms, earthworms, snails and ants live in soil. Okay, so here earthworms, ants, uses of soil. So here so why? Because they will make the soil fertile. Earthworms, they will make the soil fertile, and ants, snails, they will live in the soil. Okay. Now, earthworms, they will make the soil fertile. Next, we will see. We use clay in the soil to make pots. So now one more thing. We will go with here another topic, this one point. chillas are made. Chillas. Okay. Chillas from mud. From where? Mud, from soil. Okay. So in villages, when you go in the villages, these chillas, earthen chillas are made from the soil. Not only chillas, children, buildings also here. Earthen chillas and mud houses also. Right? Mud houses also you can see. In villages you can see mud houses are prepared with this soil. And next one we will go. We can see with the soil they will make pots. What they will make? They will make pots, right? Idols, right? Diyas. Okay, these are the things. And many other things also they will make with soil. So these are uses of soil. Okay, right children? Now we will see why is soil important and why do we call it as a natural resource we are going to learn. Okay, now we will see why soil is called as a natural resource. Now here, why is soil important? Plants need soil to grow. Already you have learned. So if there was no soil, there would be no plants, isn't it? So we depend upon plants for food. So if there were no plants, we would not get food, isn't it? So soil is important for life to exist. So soil is considered to be a natural resource because it is made naturally on earth. Okay children. So now why do we use different types of soils for different purposes? Here there are many types of soil. Some contains more sand, isn't it? While some contain more of clay. So the properties are different in the soil. It differs. The properties of soil differs. So we need to use different types of soils for different uses. Like potters use rich in mud, clay, like that. Is okay? Okay. Now open your workbooks, children. Page number, page number 40. Open your workbooks, page number 40. In that one, see the first one. Here, Ram Children, page number page number 40, uses of soil. In this one, you can see question number 1. What it is there? Ram took a plant cutting and put it in a pot. He added pebbles in the pot to give support to plant. He watered the plant regularly. After a few days, the plant started dying. Why? Why? Because the plant started dying because Ram did not grow the plant in soil. Soil gives nutrients to the plant, isn't it? So which are required for the plants to grow, right? That answer you have to write. Now see the question number 2. Circle the pictures that show the uses of soil. Okay, so circle the pictures. Already I have shown you uses of soil. Observe that video. But first one you can circle, second one you can circle, this one pots are made with soil, next one you can circle plants, okay, and next bricks are made with mud. Mud is made from soil. And here you can see this hut is made with, in villages when you go and see mud houses, this is mud house made with soil. This also you can circle. Okay, now we will go with third one. The soil used for constructing buildings is different from the soil used to make pots. Why? Already you have learned we have different types of soils for different purposes. So the properties of soil differs, isn't it? So we need to use different types of soils for different uses, right? So answer, different soils have different properties, children. So we choose the types of soil based on its properties to suit our purpose, right? The soil used to make building should be strong and last for a long time. For making pots, it need to be strong. They use clay, isn't it? That answer you have to write. Now we will go with reader. Open reader, children. Page number. Just open reader. Turn to page number 152, right? Page number 152, take out. And in this one, see the blanks they have given for you. Dash made, here the blanks they have given for you. Just to observe the blanks. See the first blank. Dash made from mud are used to make buildings. So bricks made from the mud are used to make buildings. B. Dash is the uppermost layer of the soil. So here the uppermost, in the second lesson S2 you are going to learn about the layers of soil. So now the first layer of the soil is known as humus. Okay. Now we will see C. It takes dash of years for soil to form. So million of years it will take to form the soil. D. Dash live in the soil. Earthworms, ants and snails will live in the soil. Question number 2. What are the uses of soil? What are the uses of soil? Soil is needed for plants to grow. Here you are having the answer. Okay, see here. See, you read out this and write. Soil is needed for plants to grow. Many animals live in the soil like ants, snails and earthworms and breathe the air. These all earthworms, ants and snails, they will live in the soil because soil is the home to many animals, isn't it? So they will breathe in the soil. Okay. So earthworms make the soil fertile. That also it is there because earthworms are friends for the farmers. Okay. So we make pots, diyas, toys, idols, etc. with mud, isn't it? Houses are made from mud in the villages, and earthen chullas also they will made from the mud. Okay, so you read out this paragraph and write answer. Point wise you have to write the answer. So you have to go only with blanks as well as with question number 2. So whatever the work I have given for you, do the given work neatly and correctly, and if you have patience, not patience, you must have patience. Read this and you draw these 2 pictures in your classwork book. Don't stick. I don't want sticking the work. Just you draw it. Okay, and color it. These 2 pictures. And uses of soil in this one, page number 149 here, you can see here. What are the uses of soil? You can show them in the pictures also. This also, just you draw. Draw and show. Okay. Draw in classwork book. Draw in the classwork book. Take the classwork book. Here you will have left side of the page, isn't it, like this plain page. Make into 4 parts like this. Make into 4 parts. You draw 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures and the rest turn the page, and rest 2 pictures you can these 2 pictures also in the next page you draw. So given whatever the work I have given for you, please do it neatly and correctly. Thank you, children.